So guys, I just switched my booking from the tent into the dormitory here because it's too hot outside. I didn't expect the hill station to be so hot. Now after evening it would not be so hot, but if I keep my stuff in the tent, my laptop, my camera batteries, everything is getting fried in the heat, which I can't afford. So I talked to the manager, paid some extra, and moved my stuff into the dormitory. So I'll give you the tour of this place now. You saw this path from where we came, and this is the main entrance. This is the manager's office, and this is the common area where people can chill. There's a TV here, and I'll show you my dormitory. This one with some more people. Let's not disturb her. And we have a common kitchen here. So apparently some people have been staying here for long, and they've kept their stuff here and in the fridge. And people are also doing their laundry here. So I guess tomorrow I can do my laundry and hang my clothes to dry in the sun. This is the backside. There's a toilet for the people who live in the tent, or for the people who are staying in the tent. But for me, the toilet is attached in the room where there are bunk beds. Now I'll show you the first floor where they have a library. So this is another room with bunk beds. Now we are going to the first floor where there's a library. So these rooms again are dormitories with bunk beds inside them. This is a common area where again people can chill. Here's a staff. And there are some books here for the guests to read. And on top we have a rooftop, a terrace with a view. Look at the view. And look at this. This is interesting. So they are looking to open a full-fledged cafe on the rooftop here, and they are looking for a partnership from someone who's already running their cafe. So if you're interested in business, give them a call. That's it, guys. This is called the Lost Hostel. It's on top of a hill. If you come to this place, make sure you have a vehicle or a driver's license so that you can rent a bike, because around this place it's a town. So if you're interested in visiting or looking at tea plantations or villages, you will not find them within walkable distance. So you have to have a driving license whereby you can rent a bike so that you can go to the interesting places. So guys, yesterday when I gave you the tour of this property, I was too underslept and too tired, so my mind was not functioning at its full potential. So there are some important pieces of information which I missed out. So I'll give you that information now. So first off, let me start with saying that this property or this place is not bad at all. And I'm not talking about this property itself, but the place where I'm staying, the town of Anachal. Although the temperature of Anachal is not as pleasant as the temperature of Munnar, there's a vast difference. But traveling to Munnar from here is not difficult at all. So most people who travel have a driver's license, unlike me. So you can always rent a bike and go to Munnar within 15 to 20 minutes. And if you don't have a vehicle, then you can take a bus right outside on the main road and go to Munnar within 30 minutes and come back within the same amount of time. And the frequency of bus is adequate. So you won't have to wait for more than 15 to 20 minutes, I guess. So traveling to Munnar is not difficult at all. So even though the temperature here is not as pleasant, you can always visit the places around by sitting in a bus, because there is one main road and everything that is worth watching, the tea plantations or the better temperature, and I think there are some other tourist places which I have not visited, so I don't know the name of, but yeah, people have been going that side. Whoever is staying here, whenever they go out to visit the places around, they go towards Munnar. So there are adequate buses and you can easily go there. So staying here, now coming to the property. If you like making new friends and interacting with people from all over the world, then this is the best place to stay. Look at that. So I think that's all I wanted to say. And yeah, the last thing, the price. So the initial booking of mine was for a tent, which cost me 300 rupees per night. But after reaching here, I realized that the temperature here was too hot to be staying in a tent. So I switched my booking from a tent to a bunk bed. That is costing me 400 rupees a night, and that's the standard pricing here. So I've done my booking from booking.com. If you want to check out more about this place, and this is not an advertisement, this is not an advertisement. I did this kind of property tour in Hampi also, where I stayed in a hostel. So you can check out this place on booking.com or on Google. If you type the Lost Hostel, you will get to see the pictures of this place. So I think that's all I had to say about this place. I've had a great day today, and it's still afternoon, 2 in the afternoon. I'm going to have this evening all to myself. No vlogging, no plans, nothing. I'll just chill here with these guys who are playing music right now. So I'll enjoy now the music.
Artists can you play?
What kind of artists can I play?
Yeah, like can you play like Bob Dylan, Pink? I know
Yeah,
you
I
can
got Bob
play
Dylan.
Pink
I mean, this
Floyd.
is Ray Charles. Hit the Road Jack.
Yeah.
They're all songs.
Yeah, I understand that, but I'm just asking if you
Stevie
can.
Wonder. Loads of country songs.
Do you sing as well?
Yeah.